Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling and opening the console. This gives direct control over view commands. First, turn on Developer Console in Game Settings and bind a convenient key if needed, then open it. You'll want your resolution and aspect ratio memorized because values depend on them. Note 1920x 1080 or 16:9 for reference. Next, prepare to enter viewmodel commands like viewmodel offset X, viewmodel offset Y, and viewmodel offset Z, so you can tweak horizontal, vertical, and forward/back placement precisely. Now you'll change the offsets to find a comfortable weapon placement. In the console, type viewmodel offset X, viewmodel offset Y, and viewmodel offset Z with numbers. Start with small steps like 0, 5, and iterate. Once done, switch weapons and crouch to observe clipping and visibility changes, because some values hide parts of the weapon or block your crosshair. Also adjust viewmodel FOV to widen or tighten perspective and tweak CL bob cycle, or CL bob, to reduce weapon sway for cleaner sightlines while moving. Finish by saving your working setup to auto-exec. CFG so changes persist. Append each command on its own line and set exec auto-exec in launch options if necessary. Then test across several maps with different weapons and while using grenades to confirm visibility and HUD interactions. Make sure nothing clips the crosshair. If something breaks, reset to defaults by removing or replacing lines in auto-exec, or use the default viewmodel commands to revert. One troubleshooting tip: disable custom HUD elements if offsets still miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.